Welcome viewer, I am going to show how to see your total video graphics. Someone asked question. I have installed 2 GB video graphics but showing 128 MB or less than 1 GB. At first, you ensure that you have installed driver and graphics driver. Your computer software driver like this is my application file and this is driver file. This is driver file. To be sure that you have installed Windows 64, Intel's graphics and your AMD graphics or Navita graphics and C-Paste. Also you can install sound file. To see your graphics properties, click on About. System information. Here I installed 4 GB RAM. Display adapter properties. I have 2 GB dedicated video memory, but here showing 128 MB and total available graphic memory 2113 MB. Don't worry about it. To check this, simply right click here and run and type this DXDIAG. Wait until load fully. Here, after completing load, you see this Windows version, system and memory graphics 4.96 MB RAM. I need display graphic, approximately total memory, which I installed Vram 128, shared memory 198.5 MB. Had total approximate memory 3995 MB. I have installed 2 GB video dedicated RAM. Here show that VRAM 210 MB and shared memory built after this is due to installed RAM from 4 GB. A grade 9 around 2 GB, and total available memory 300 900 almost 4 GB. Also you can check this by downloading simply app DirectX diagnostic tool from Microsoft website. Thanks for watching, and don't forget share your opinion.